Hi, I'm Dr. Gabby Gaustad, the Dean of the Inamori School of Engineering here at Alfred University. I'd like to welcome you to our School of Engineering and into some of our amazing spaces. Here, your very first year, you'll get to work on designing materials, building them out, understanding and characterizing them, and being able to make your very own prototypes right here in the lab. You can then make use of other facilities and equipment that we have to test those prototypes that you've built in the second year of your engineering studies. So if you want to come to an engineering school and do research hands-on right away, not have to wait for your senior capstone project or wait until you go to graduate school, Alfred University Engineering is an amazing place for you to come. Here in the Inamori School of Engineering at Alfred University, you can major in incredibly unique degree paths like ceramic engineering, glass science and engineering, and renewable energy engineering, along with other majors like mechanical engineering, electrical engineering, material science and engineering, and biomaterials engineering. Very recently, we've launched our Space Materials Institute, an incredible umbrella of amazing projects in both the space and aerospace sector with industry partners like SpaceX, Blue Origin, Lockheed Martin, and agency partners like NASA, Army Research Lab, and other Department of Defense sponsors. Alfred University School of Engineering might be small, but it's incredibly mighty. We go toe-to-toe with R1 universities to land the incredible sponsored research programs that we have here. And that creates amazing opportunities for our undergrads to really get into cutting-edge, innovative work right in their first, second, third year of undergraduate, not having to wait until they're a graduate student or a senior. Those experiences build so many skill sets that our employers love to see, and it helps put our graduates on a path for discovery. Our alum have invented incredibly life-altering, significant things out in the world. One of our graduates was studying surgery and looking at different lenses in biomaterials engineering for surgery, and he accidentally discovered color blindness correcting glasses. He went on to perfect and develop that technology that he discovered and found the company Enchroma. You may have seen the incredible viral videos of someone putting those glasses on and being able to see color for the first time. That was one of our alums that made that possible. Our alums have also invented things that you probably have in your pocket right now. The Gorilla Glass on every single Apple iPhone was invented just down the road at Corning Incorporated, where we currently have 300 plus of our engineering alums working right now, not to mention all the ones that have retired from there. And it was a group of Alfred University scientists and other colleagues at Corning that invented that incredible glass and the unique strength and properties that make it able to be used on all iPhones.
Finding the right college fit can feel very daunting, but trust me, you'll know when you find it.
I wish you the best of luck on that search, and if you have any questions at all, please reach out to me at Gaustad, Gaustad, @alfred.edu.